Everyone seems to be making pancake spaghetti at the moment. So I thought to myself, can I make gluten-free pancake spaghetti from my celiac wife? A cup and a half of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Slowly incorporate the gluten-free flour. I know if you're traditionally making pancakes, you would never use a blender. But since we're making pancake spaghetti, having those nice fluffy air pockets, it's not an issue. Add some butter to your cast iron pan. Put your batter in a squeeze bottle. Don't try and flip the pancake spaghetti, it's impossible. So there you have it. If you're celiac, you can make gluten-free pancake spaghetti. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and check out these other great videos.